So we were packing up. I feel like we're finally starting to get the hang of a few things.
We made the mistake of getting coconut though.
All right, welcome to Disneyland.
So we've been in line for how long? An hour and a half.
No, 2 hours.
Where are we at, and what are you wanting to get, Trinity?
All right, so we got a little girls' day going on because Dad and Dakota are sick. And so we are on our way to the Metro, and then we're gonna go shopping. First, there's a place that they have in the U.S. and we wanted, is it the same or is it better in France, in the U.S.? But we're gonna go check it out and we'll tell you, is it the same or is it completely different? You ready? I'm so hungry.
Excusez-moi, where can I find the Mickey D's?
Pardon?
Okay, so I think we just walk in. Oh, they have English. Or takeaway, takeaway. What is this?
Ooh, but I want to get fries.
That is different. They've got different options. Where is it? Veggie nuggets?
And look, they have Christmas socks.
Christmas socks?
Only €5.
What do you think? Same?
I think American fries are better.
You think it's different? I think it's the same. All right, tell me about the nuggets. So same. Let me see the nugget. Does it look the same?
It looks a little dear.
It looks about the same to me. All right, we're gonna try the cheeseburger. See if this is the same. Cheeseburger is the same. So we didn't try anything that is like, I don't know. We probably should have tried something that they don't have on the menu in the U.S. But so far, what we tried, same as the U.S.
McDonald's, bienvenue comme vous êtes.
So with this being our first time in Europe, we're on what, day 3? Day 3 or
Yes.
day 4?
Day 3.
I feel like we're finally starting to get the hang of a few things. So
Yeah.
where are we at right now?
The Champs-Elysees.
Champs-Elysees. And a lot of American brands. We were actually like,
We're walking in front of a Dior store right now.
right, it's like everything that we can get in the U.S. anyway, for the most part. Which is just kind of funny.
But it's more expensive here.
But it's more expensive
Oh,
here.
and there's a beret.
Taxes, you know, things like that. Now she wants to go look at a beret in Dior. So the beret at Dior was what your price range?
Just a little bit. €1,200. Oh, boy! For a hat.
I'm like, that's a round trip ticket from the US to Europe.
Yeah.
It's kind of crazy. It is kind of crazy to us, right? For maybe some people it's all relevant, but
Right.
wow.
I'm not that rich.
No, it's really why we go for the experiences over things thing. We'd
Although I
rather
do
have an
want a beret
experience.
from France.
So we might go for the bargain beret. Where's the bargain beret store?
I think it's like, there's one I looked online, it's €70, and I'm okay paying.
Oh, there you go. There's the bargain version. 70.
Oh, Champs-Elysees. Oh, Champs-Elysees. Deuxième petite vérification.
Missy. Oh.
It's really good.
Blinded by the light.
Yeah.
Blinded by the light.
Well,
Oh. No, it's really good.
really good.
We made the mistake of getting coconut though.
Yeah, so cocoa was not chocolate, it was coconut. Our mistake.
It's okay though.
At least I like coconut.
It's just like the crunchy of the coconut. It's kind of weird.
Oh, so crisp.
No, it's just like hard.
Oh, gotcha. All right, so we keep going?
Yes, to the beret shop.
All right.
So one thing that we've learned during our travels now outside of the United States is that preparation is key. And speaking of being prepared for any adventure, whether you're crossing borders or just exploring your own backyard, having the right gear makes all the difference. And that's why we partner with eTrailer, your one-stop shop for all things RV accessories, towing, hitches, and more. From getting your vehicle the right hitch setup to haul your RV to bike and cargo racks, eTrailer really has everything you need to take your travel setup to that next level. So if you're upgrading to a new vehicle this year, you might be wondering if your current accessories will work with your new ride, because getting a new vehicle is a big step, one that comes with its own set of challenges. So whether you're wondering, will my old roof rack work with my new ride, or how do I make sure I'm ready to tow that minute I hit the road, eTrailer can help with their new 2025 Fit Guide, because transitioning to a new vehicle shouldn't mean starting from scratch when it comes to your gear. Check out the 2025 Fit Guide for the products that you already know and trust from eTrailer. I'll have that in the description below. And whether you're cruising in your new ride already or just planning ahead, you can make your purchase future-proof. Check out eTrailer to provide the gear, advice, and confidence you need to hit the road without hesitation. Thanks to eTrailer for sponsoring this video. We'll have a link below for more information and that new 2025 Fit Guide. We definitely love eTrailer for their expert advice and top-notch gear to make your journey smoother. Now, back to this week's travel episode. This trip was our gift to our family for Christmas this year. Do you remember what you got for Christmas when you were 13 or 14? Chances are you probably don't remember, but this gift of an experience in a new place with our family is a gift our kids will always remember, and something we will talk about around the Thanksgiving table in years to come.
All right, welcome to Disneyland.
How much is it? 22 euros. It's actually not that bad. These are like little magic wands. There's a Stitch one.
Voilà, pourquoi t'es pas bien de faire des classiques après ça fait.
This is Coke?
Yeah, cherry Coke.
Cherry Cokes? Thank you. Okay, so Trinity's mapping us to the station. There we go. Thank goodness for Google Maps, I tell you. It's been a lifesaver.
We didn't realize just how cold it is this time of year in Europe. I am thankful we got some cold weather gear to bring with us, but we were still cold during the days. If you do decide to visit Paris over the holidays, dress accordingly. When visiting Paris, be prepared to do a ton of walking. The city is very easy to navigate and walkable, so make sure to have a good pair of walking shoes and be ready to get some steps in.
We are here. We are going to go here.
We walked between 15,000 and 20,000 steps on average a day when out and about.
Okay, where are we at? And what are you wanting to get, Trinity?
I don't know. I wonder.
Huh? A beret. Oh, that's gonna look so cute on you.
In this way, I will keep you vigilant and alert.
All right, let's check it out. Wow, it's a cool door.
Yeah.
Oh my, that is super cute.
How is it like traditionally worn?
So there are few traditional ways. So there is one of traditional ways. You may move it on another side. Then maybe with a ponytail, it's not possible now. You can usually open the forehead and you bear it down.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute. That is totally fitting.
It's very fitting. Yay, it's exciting. All right, where to next? Did you guys want to go see the...
Gucci.
Should we go see the arch?
No.
Do we want to walk to the arch? Oh, you want to go to the...
Triomphe?
We're gonna go to Gucci, Prada, and then
You're a
Dior.
little too much. Now I'm hot.
Yeah.
Gucci.
Thank you.
Are you go diamonds?
Oh, Gucci for the kids. Gucci for the whole family. Okay, we are at one of the top things to see in Paris. And that
There's
is
France, not Texas.
the Arc de Triomphe.
So this is basically like their version of the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier. And then you can like go up inside, I think. I don't know.
And I think they have guards, don't they, here with horses? And
I think
you don't want to pet them? Oh, no, that's...
Buckingham Palace.
Oh, okay, never mind. This is different, but
These
like,
are
don't
not the
touch the horse.
No,
They will yell at you.
Get off the ring!
Okay.
What?
I was thinking of something else.
So we just walked down Champs-Elysees and popped into
Saw-
some fun stores.
The overpriced stores.
Yes. We settled on a very different beret.
It was cheaper.
So
and
we're gonna go
Yep.
see the arch, and then Metro Arc, and then Metro it back to the Airbnb.
All right.
The Arc de Triomphe honors those who fought and died for France during the French Revolution and Napoleonic Wars, with the names of all the French victories and generals inscribed on its inner and outer surfaces. Under its vault lies the tomb of the unknown soldier from the First World War. The Arc de Triomphe in English means Arch of Victory.
going on up there.
Yeah. So we've been in line for how long? An hour and a half.
No, 2 hours.
I think it's been an hour and a half.
No, because we got in line at like 3:15, I think.
It's been a hot minute. Actually, not a hot minute. It's been a very cold minute. So
It's 4:52.
and we got in line at what? 3?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's been 2 hours.
Yeah.
We are almost at the entrance to the
And I am freezing my everything.
Today is the coldest day that has been our whole trip here. Go figure. So yes, we are very cold, and we're going to be trying to seek some warmth at the cafe after
I'm
this.
hungry.
So Ben and Dakota were feeling under the weather. I think that just because it's cold here and we're kind of acclimated to Florida, that definitely has played a factor in wellness. My nose is drippy, her nose is drippy, anyway. We're all drippy, bro. Drippy. But
Do you like your nose droopy, bruh?
Like my cheese drippy, bruh.
about to go inside. No dripster. I'm so excited.
After a devastating fire in 2019 that required more than 5 years of restoration, Notre-Dame Cathedral reopened to the public on December 8th, 2024. The Notre-Dame Cathedral has been around for 860 years, and before the fire, it received over 9 million visitors a year. Construction began in 1163 and was barely completed by 1345. Many visitors who have now been to Notre-Dame both before and after the fire have said how beautiful the restoration has made this symbol of faith, and that it's almost as if the fire was a good thing, as the end result of the ensuing restoration has made something even more beautiful. This is a great metaphor for life sometimes, that out of something devastating in the moment, something beautiful can still rise from the ashes. Tell me, do you like it?
It's very cheesy.
Like my cheese drippy.
So we have traditional French onion soup to warm up after attending service at Notre-Dame.
We were in the line for 2 hours, and it was so funny. So we got to like the front, right? And there was this lady trying to get in, and there was like a worker, and he was like, no. He's like, she said something that he's like, well, I don't care. No, this line starts over there.
He was definitely adamant, wasn't he? Which was good, because we stood in line and then we got in. And now we're eating this deliciousness.
What's the problem? Easy, don't break the wheels.
So we were packing up, getting ready to leave Paris, and we are taking the Eurostar. So this is a train that connects pretty much almost all of Europe. So you can get like train to all sorts of different areas, different countries. We're headed over into London. I was just trying to look at the maps to figure out the best way to get there, because here's the deal. We'll be schlepping luggage on this one. So we have to schlep the luggage to the metro station, get it on the Eurostar, and then I think once we get there, I'm gonna call a cab, because that seems to be the easiest way. But a little bittersweet saying goodbye to Paris. I will say, I think one thing that I underestimated was just the like kind of mental fatigue from the language being different, and then always having to think about translating and stuff. And so it'll be nice to be back in a country where English will be the primary language and you don't have to worry about language barriers or trying to figure all of that out. So pack it up and off to the train.
I gotta do this.
London.
That train?
What train?
Not too tough. Pistachio.
Do you know what this is? Walking across the London Bridge, London Bridge, London Bridge.
So have you ever dreamed of exploring Alaska and all of its breathtaking beauty while connecting with a group of amazing fellow travelers? And think about this, without the hassle of having to get the RV up there, back, set up at campgrounds, all the things. Well, this summer, that dream becomes a reality on the Grateful Glamper Alaska cruise. Now, we're going to take a true vacation away from the RV, and we want you to come with us. Now, last year we worked with Dream Vacations to reserve a block of cabins just for those of you who want to join us. And it's a good thing that we did, because by reserving those last year, it means that you can come on this Norwegian cruise for less than if you went to go book that same cruise on your own right now. So come hang out with us for an epic adventure, check Alaska off your bucket list, and meet fellow RVers of all ages. Families are welcome, and those that are of a more mature crowd, everyone is welcome on this cruise. You can visit gratefulglamper.com/cruise for more details and to reserve your cabin with a small deposit today.